Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier treats. My focus is higher protein, higher fiber, and lots of great healthy fats. Today's recipe, we are making a gluten-free peach crisp. It's actually a crisp recipe that you can use with really any types of fruit. You can use frozen fruit and you can use fresh fruit. You can also change up your sugars as well. So it's one of those versatile recipes. I love versatile recipes. I love quick recipes. And again, it's just something that I really love to share with my audience. The gluten-free portion of the crisp is really made with almond flour, gluten-free rolled oats, and all the other things that go along with making a crisp, which I'll show you a little later. The other thing that I'm going to make for you today is actually a higher protein whipped topping that works really well with a crisp recipe as well as a cobbler recipe. Now, I just posted a strawberry cobbler recipe, so it's right here, so just check that out. It's incredible. So this whipped topping would work really great with either desserts, or sometimes I'll actually just add it to pancakes in the morning as well. I know it's weird, but it really works. So the higher protein part of it is actually Greek yogurt. Plus I'm using whipping cream as well. Not very sweet at all. I sweeten it with some maple syrup, but very little amount. And again, you can sweeten it how you like. So why don't we make a peach fruit crisp? Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to grab either an 8x8 or a 9x9 ceramic dish or glass dish would work here as well. You're going to grab about 2 pounds of peaches. You're going to slice your peaches directly into your ceramic dish, about 1/4 inch thick. We're going to add our sugar. This is about 1/3 cup. The peaches were not very sweet, but you can use a little less if you like, and you can use whatever sugar you like. We're going to add our lemon juice to help keep those peaches that beautiful, vibrant color. And we're just going to mix that through. A 9x9 pan would have probably been easier to work with. Next, we're going to add our cornstarch. We need a thickening agent here so we can thicken those juices. This is about 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix that through until the cornstarch disappears. And that's it for the fruit. Next, we're going to make our crisp. We'll start with our almond flour and our gluten-free rolled oats. And raw chopped pecans. You could also use walnuts or almonds as well. Some sugar, I'm using coconut sugar here. And we're going to give that a little mix. We're going to add some salt for balance. And we're going to give that a little mix. And a little cinnamon as well. So that's it for your dry ingredients. Now it's time to add your cubed butter. I like to do smaller cubes just so it's a little easier to work with. And what we're going to do now is just coat the butter with the dry mixture, and we're going to smash the butter. What we're going to do here is we're going to hydrate this mixture. So once you get to the point where you don't see really any dry bits, then you're good to go. And you also want these lovely clumps of butter and pecans and oats and almond flour. So you can see there's no dry spots, so I think we're good. We're going to put that to the side, and we're going to grab our peaches. I like to put my peaches on a separate baking tray just so the juices don't spill, and then we're going to add our crumble mixture onto the fruit, and you just want to spread it out evenly so all the peaches are covered with this crisp mixture. And now we're going to bake this peach crisp at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Now let's make the whip topping. This is half a cup of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're just going to give this a mix, just until everything is incorporated. And then we're going to grab another medium bowl, and we're going to add half a cup of whipping cream. Your whipping cream must be cold in order for it to whip properly. And using my immersion blender with the whisk attachment, which I love, we're going to whisk the whipping cream until you get to firm peaks. And now we're going to add the yogurt mixture to the whipping cream, and we're going to fold that in. We don't want to deflate the whipping cream because we just spent time whipping it, so we just want to fold this in gently and delicately, just until everything is incorporated. And then I'm just going to put that back in the fridge until my crisp is ready to be eaten. Our crisp is ready and out of the oven. It's golden and perfect. I couldn't wait for it to cool down, so I'm going to grab a little corner piece here to a bowl. Now the juices are still quite liquidy because it just hasn't had a time to cool down for that cornstarch to work through. But the flavors are just incredible. And now we're going to add a big dollop of that whipped topping. Enjoy our gluten-free peach crisp. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try our peach crisp recipe, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.